Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how I paint this sunflower in a mason jar cutout. I'm going to go in first with the color Colonel Mustard, and this is a Dixie Belle color, and it is the perfect color for sunflowers. So I'm just going in and base coating those. And next I'm going in with the color the Gulf to paint my mason jar. And the Gulf is absolutely one of my favorite colors, so if you're trying to decide on which colors to get started with, this is definitely my top recommended one. And next I'm going to go in with the color Chocolate. And if you guys didn't know, we do sell the color, all of these chalk paint colors on our website, buildacross.com. So I'm just going in with that chocolate color and doing the centers of my flowers. And then I'm going in with a little bit of the color Pine Cone and just dabbing that on to kind of add some texture to the center of my sunflowers. And now that everything's dry, I'm going in with a Sharpie brushstroke marker to outline my sunflowers and everything else. Then I'm just going to do a little swirl at the bottom of my mason jar to give it kind of the appearance that it has a bottom. And then I did go in and try to distress that and decided I didn't like that look, so stopped doing that. And I'm going in with white and highlighting everything. And then I'm going to go in with that white and I'm going to highlight on my flowers. And I'm going to do some lettering, and I'm just putting I think I love fall most of all. And you could do this with a Sharpie brushstroke marker if you wanted to. So it took me a couple of tries to figure out what I wanted to do on my petals, and finally I decided to go in and just highlight them with the color Chocolate and then go over that with the color Putty, and that's what I ended up liking best. So if you try something and you're not sure if you like it, don't worry, you can always paint over it or you can wipe it off and start over. Sometimes it takes me a couple tries to really figure out what exactly I like too, so that is no problem. And as soon as I finish those little highlights, I will be done. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and have a great day.